Hello student, I am R.K. Patil from Department of Geography, Vasantrao Naik Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shahada. Dear students, during this academic year, we have to study skill enhancement course in geography, that is GG 304. The title of the paper is Regional Planning and Development. In this course, during this semester, we have to study 4 units. The first unit is about the introduction of regional planning and development. Second unit is about choice of regions. Third unit contains theories and models for regional planning. And fourth unit contains measuring of development. As far as first unit of this paper is concerned, that is introduction to regional planning and development. The subtopics are regional planning, definition of region, the concept, need and objective of regional planning, then role of geography in regional planning. Next one is role of regional planning in development. Then types of regional planning: short-term planning, long-term planning, physical and economic development, developmental and imperative plannings. Then the another part of this unit is types of region. These regions are homogeneous, nodal, functional, programming, administrative, urban areas. And the last subtopic of this unit is characteristics of planning regions. Now we have to discuss about the first unit, that is introduction to regional planning. Introduction to regional planning uh, is necessary for the study of this paper. Among the various sub branches of geography, regional geography is one of the important branch. The subject geography deals with the distribution of all kinds of phenomena on the surface of the earth which affect man and his activities. For the rational, means sensible study of geography of the world, it is necessary to attempt it in a regional framework. The geography of the world should be studied by considering the natural divisions, because these are permanent and present more useful and instructive study. This approach of study raises the need of regionalization, that is the division of the earth into number of regions. Then The 20th century began with the formation of a school of regional geography based on the work of Vidal de la Blache and other French geographers. Regional planning deals with efficient placement of land use activities, infrastructure, and settlement growth across a larger area of land. Regional planning may be defined as the integrated management of the economic, social, and physical resources of a spatially bounded area. Then the concept of a region, then the objective of a region, then the regionalization are also necessary to take into consideration. About the regionalization, a region is an area on the surface of the earth of any size and shape and characterized with internal homogeneity. The natural regions are having natural criteria such as landform, temperature, rainfall, soil, winds, and so on. On the basis of such criteria, the earth is divided into number of natural regions. Means in the study of regional planning, the regionalization is important one. Then the definition of regions. The definition, first definition about the region is any portion of the earth's surface where physical conditions are homogeneous can be considered to be a region in the geographic sense. Uh, about this definition, just we have discussed, that is the natural homogeneity. Then another definition for the region is any portion of a space considered as possessing a certain characteristics. Then another definition for the region is a region is a unit of land having a unique character or homogeneity based on local features of geology, relief, soil, climate, vegetation, and a human way of life. Then, about the region, we can say like a group of districts located within a geographical area of a state is a region. Then, large and indefinite part of the earth is a region. A region in Marathi we can say समान भौगोलिक वैशिष्ट्ये असणारा सलग प्रदेश. समान भौगोलिक वैशिष्ट्ये असणारा सलग प्रदेश म्हणजे सलग भूभाग म्हणजेच प्रदेश, त्याला इंग्रजीत रिजन असं म्हटलं जातं. देन द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ रिजनल प्लॅनिंग. The geographical areas of which social and economic improvement programs have been conceived, planned under a region. It describes land use activities, planning, and management of a region. Planning region implies a regional unit most suitable for the purpose of regional planning. According to Taylor, planning region is that unit of area which is distinguishable from another area by display of some unifying characteristics of its own. For defining planning regions, homogeneity and nodality are very important factors. For ensuring proper implementation of development plans, the region should have a fairly homogeneous economic structure, some topographic homogeneity. So, it becomes necessary to strike balance between the consideration of homogeneity, nodality, and administrative convenience. A planning region is an area that is large enough to enable substantial change in the distribution of population and employment to take place within its boundaries. Thus, planning region is a self-created living organism having a lifeline. There are common practical geographic areas of which social and economic improvement programs have been conceived, planned under a region. There are two standout criteria of the region's delineation. That is, these are awareness of regional problems and opportunities, and another is to do something for planning and development activities. Then the objectives of regional planning. The objectives of regional planning are overall growth of a region, balanced development, fulfilling the needs. When we discuss about the development of a region, it requires geographical homogeneity. As we have already discussed earlier, that a region, especially natural region, is having a same characteristic. For example, uh, in India, Ganga Plain, the continuous part is having a similar homogeneity, similar character, that is the plain area. When we discuss about the mountainous area, when we discuss about any uh, deserted areas, it means that the areas are characterized by different geographical features where the planning is necessary for the development. As far as objectives of regional planning are concerned, there is overall growth of a region. The purpose of original planning is to develop a wider area and bring a balance in a region. That is the balanced development. Then the required needs are to be fulfilled while planning. It means that what things are required, these are to be fulfilled while planning. In this way, there is a possibility of development of a region. Then the next part of this unit will be continued during the next period. Thank you.